खबरो विस्तारान राज्यात जीएमसीत किडनी आनी लिव्हर ट्रान्सप्लांट प्रोग्रामा खातीर भायर वचप्यांचेर डॉक्टरांचो विचार चालू आसा. कर्नाटक, तामिळनाडू सारकिल्ल्या राज्यांत डॉक्टर वतात आनी आमकां आमच्या किडनी ट्रान्सप्लांट प्रोग्राम मेळोवपाक आदार करतात म्हण भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयला. आयडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
And I would like to replicate, because if you know that Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are way ahead in organ transplant.
Definitely.
So we must actually copy the best. And let me put it like this, I feel that Tamil Nadu is way ahead than Karnataka also. So I just want to see what are the systems they have, how the things are going on,
So
what is the way the government has
besides
moved.
kidney transplant, which are the other transplants?
Liver transplant, lung transplant, heart transplant.
Heart transplant will
Do you know that they do pancreas transplant also? I had not heard of this earlier. So I myself was saying lung transplant.
Lung transplant, yes.
So people have gone way beyond in these transplant things, they have gone way beyond. So I just want to go step by step.
Yeah.
I first want to stabilize kidney transplant, and parallelly along with that liver transplant. So liver transplant is something very important, and if we get in the right expertise and if we get in the right know-how, we will be able to strengthen this program and train our doctors also in Goa Medical College.